Hey, what's up Theta Network? So this is very urgent update for all of you my friend too, because you can see here this time the Theta Network is completely fails down. And what's the prediction to upcoming days? Theta Network moving up or moving fails down very fastly. So this time you can see here my friends the Theta Network is completely fails down from last 24 hour, and absolutely what's the reason? The reason is very important to you know, so I explain in this video. But before I start this video, I request you to subscribe ABS Tech channel. Please click out the subscribe button and press bell icon for videos notification. Alright, come to the point. This time you can see the last 1 hour chart is on the screen my friend. Definitely you can see here they're going like a rocket, and I cannot expect that's true from Theta to they moving off in those days. I can't believe that you can see here the change occur as plus a 0.85% going up. I can't believe that this is going very fastly my friend. So this time you can see here 11.15 US dollar as the latest price of Theta Network, and definitely you can see here this time they're moving up like a rocket. So what's the reason today going up? You can see you already see the crypto market is very badly fails down my friend. All crypto markets very badly fails down, especially one of the unique Dutch coin, viral coin in the crypto market all over the world this time fails down very fastly. So I cannot expect this from Theta Network today starting moving up. But let's check out my friend the last 3 days chart to what's going on, and this especially and this month my friend. Yes, absolutely I am right my friend. But this time you can see here and the start of month every cryptocurrency is very badly fails down. So this process you can see here also as on this you can see here on the chart. They are across the resistance line. Definitely you can see their resistance line and they gone fails down. But after this fail my friend, they take a very high jump, and this is mind-blowing jump. But after this jump they fails down and they cross the resistance line. You can see this is the resistance line. After this my friends they fails down very fastly, and after this fails they take again jump. My friend, at this point you can see here the few the seller of the holders starting selling. So exactly the very badly fails down. But my friend, after that you can see here they're starting again moving up, and I hope the good time is coming soon my friend. So this time you can see here minus 1.7% they fails down and they change occur as a negative. So this definitely my friend everyone is on the loss. But definitely you can see at this time the 12.11 US dollar as the latest price. So the price is going again very good my friend, and the price is increasing now in upcoming days. So definitely you already see the last 1 hour chart. If you remember the last 1 hour change occur absolutely as in a positive and going up like a rocket. So Theta Network, congratulations my dedication as that to upcoming days they're moving off. Kindly hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope they give you a very good profit. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.